Good afternoon. It's Tuesday the 8th of December 2008 and I'm about to take you on a mission. We have a problem in my house. It's about 3-4 inches tall, weighs a couple of grams, and it's mean, it's angry, it's flying around my living room. And you will join me on my mission now to set it free. It's some form of bird, I don't know what. It's a bird, it has wings, and it's making a racket and jumping around my living room and flying into the window. So now we go on a mercy mission to set this bird free and do a good deed for the population of birds. So let's find it. It's currently hiding somewhere. I'm not sure where. Oh shit, there it is. Right, I'm shutting the door. Keep it in the room. If it gets too violent, I've got a hammer. Currently, it's disappeared again. I could turn the fan on and sort the problem out that way. I think you can hear it, I'm not sure. Let's seek it out and help him out, or her out, or whatever sex this bird is. Let's go for it. Don't panic. Oh my god. Wait, bird, chill, man. There it is. That's the bird. Look at it. It's really, really scared. No! Oh. Bummer. Come on. Is it time for the hammer? Is it? No, I'm not that cruel. Could use a vacuum. Suck it up a bit. Oi! Little shit. Come out. Don't make me come in there after you. Where is it? Can you see the bird? There it is. Your bloody heart attack. Get out! Okay. Oh dear me. What we'll do then is we'll open the window, even though it's freezing out there. I don't know where it's gone. Oh my god. Come out, bird. Now we've got issues. Okay, I'm going in. If I die, then please tell my parents I love them very much, and my girlfriend Amy, she means the world to me, and I'll pass everything I own on to anyone but my cousins, because they're evil. Okay, here we go. This bird might attack, it might get vicious. Come to me, bird. She'll hit it with a stick. How has it got in? Where has it come from? Come on, get out, man. I think maybe it's best to leave this bird alone and let it find its way out of the house on its own. But meanwhile, I'm going to make a cup of coffee. It better be gone by this evening, or things are going to get nasty. because I like a bit of peace and quiet today. Not being attacked by a bird. So thank you for your time, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm a good man. I won't hurt it, I promise.